So in this question, you're asked to integrate e power ax times cos bx dx. We have seen a formula for this. So let us see how we got the formula. So there are two functions which are being multiplied. So let this be u and let this be v. So let us start our integration by parts. So u integral v e power x. So this integration is equal to e power x integral of cos bx dx minus integral of du by dx. The differentiation of this is a e power x times integration of cos bx dx whole dx. So let us call this integration as I. So if this is equal to I is equal to this. So that is equal to, what is the integration of cos bx dx? It is sin bx by b. So e power ax sin bx by b minus, so here you have an a which comes out. So the integration of this is sin bx by b. So that constant b also comes down. So integration of e power x into sin bx dx. So integration of cos bx is sin bx. So that is equal to e power ax times sin bx by b minus a by b times. So e power ax cos bx has got transformed into e power x sin bx. So let us use by parts again for this function. So how do we solve this? U into integration of sin bx is minus cos bx by b, u integral v minus integral of du by dx, a e power ax times integration of sin bx is minus cos bx. So cos bx by b with a minus comes out and this becomes plus bx. So that is equal to e power ax sin bx by b minus of minus becomes plus a by b square times e power ax cos bx. And if you multiply these two, so minus into plus becomes minus a square by b square times integration of e power ax cos bx dx, which is same as the original integral I. So I is equal to this. So this implies I is equal to this. So here also you have an I, here also you have an I. You bring this I onto this side. So this implies if you bring I onto this side, I times 1 plus a square by b square. I times 1 plus a square by b square is a square plus b square by b square is equal to, so this two terms it have e power x common. So if you take b square as the LCM, you have a cos bx plus b sin bx. So this b square and b square gets cancelled. Hence I is equal to e power x by a square plus b square times a cos bx plus b sin bx. So this integral is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square times a cos bx, that's where the formula starts, plus b sin bx plus c. So this will be the integration of this e power ax cos bx. So here you need to apply by parts twice. The first time integration of e power x cos bx converts into e power x sin bx, and in the next step it again gets converted into e power x cos bx, which becomes I, and if you club these two i's you get the final formula.